Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable LinkedIn Live event notifications, full guide step by step clearly. Open LinkedIn on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your home page. Look for the notification bell icon located in the top right corner of the page. Click on the notification bell icon to display your notifications. In the notifications drop-down menu, you'll see various alerts including event notifications. Find any notification related to LinkedIn Live events. Next, click on the three dots next to the live event notification. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Select the option that says Turn off notifications. This will disable notifications for that specific live event. To manage your general notification settings, go to the Me icon at the top right corner. Click on the Settings and Privacy option. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Communication tab. Scroll down to the Events section. Here, you can adjust your preferences for event notifications. Toggle off the option for receiving notifications about LinkedIn Live events. Make sure to save any changes you make before exiting. Now you won't receive notifications about LinkedIn Live events anymore. You can always return to these settings if you wish to enable them again later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.